Has your Binance account been suspended? This can be a stressful experience, especially if you rely on the platform for trading and managing your cryptocurrencies. Your Binance account is your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. It allows you to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital assets. With its user-friendly interface and robust security features, Binance has become a popular choice for both novice and experienced traders. Losing access to your account can disrupt your trading activities and potentially lead to financial losses. But don't panic. In this article, we'll guide you through the steps to recover your suspended Binance account. We'll explain the common reasons for account suspension, how to identify the specific reason for your suspension, and provide a detailed guide to help you regain access. Binance takes account security very seriously. To protect its users and their funds, the platform has strict security measures in place. These measures can sometimes lead to account suspensions if they detect suspicious activity or potential security breaches. Understanding the reasons behind account suspensions is crucial to prevent future occurrences. One common reason for suspension is unusual activity on your account. This could include multiple failed login attempts, transactions from unusual locations, or large withdrawals. Another reason is policy violations. Binance has a comprehensive set of terms and conditions that all users must adhere to. Violations such as using a VPN, creating multiple accounts, or engaging in prohibited trading activities can result in suspension. Lastly, technical issues on Binance's end can also lead to temporary account suspensions. Identifying the specific reason for your account suspension is essential to take the appropriate steps for recovery. The first thing you should do is check your email inbox. Binance usually sends an email notification to the registered email address associated with your account when a suspension occurs. This email will typically outline the reason for the suspension and provide instructions on how to proceed. If you haven't received an email or need further clarification, you can contact Binance support directly. Their customer support team is available 24/7 to assist users with account-related issues. Be prepared to provide your account details and any relevant information to help them investigate the suspension. Once you have identified the reason for your account suspension, you can begin the recovery process. Visit the Binance support page and locate the account recovery section. Here, you will find a form to submit a request for account reinstatement. Fill out the form accurately and provide all the requested information. This may include your account details, personal information, and supporting documents to verify your identity. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation email with a ticket number. Binance will review your request and may contact you for additional information or verification. Respond to their request promptly and provide any necessary documentation. Once your account is successfully recovered, take immediate steps to enhance its security.